The registrar of National Examination Council, wey all of us know as NECO, wey the person name na Professor Godswill Obioma, we hear say this man don die o. And the kind tori wey we even hear about him death sef, person no even understand. Now somebody wey we dey hear say this somebody na him wife talk say some people, some unknown gunmen, I no know since when unknown gunmen sef start to dey enter inside person house, say they go in house for Minna, go strangle this man, kill am o. But in pikin sef wey dey call Prince talk say this man sick, na him dey rush am go hospital for Abuja, na there this man come die. As this story come be like, e come be like say something dey in between it, because I no come dey understand why mama go talk another story, pikin sef go talk another story. E be like say something dey inside this matter, but as we hear am, this man don die. And this man wey be say they just appoint am, e just reach 1 year wey they appoint am as NECO head. Now they don run kill am. And me I dey look and say, e be like say some things dey happen between all these big people, because if you now notice, the killing of big people now, e don dey over too much. All of us know about our presidential aide wey be Ahmed Gulak. Una hear say they don kill that one. Then Enugu High Court sef, Stanley Nnaji, that one sef don die. Wetin come be the thing wey be say they dey kill only big people? Wetin dey really happen? You sure say then these people they never do something to this person wey dey kill them? Because I no even come dey understand. Abia people, una sorry o, because this man now, I hear say na from Abia State, make him soul rest in peace. Wetin kill am now, we no know na the people wey murder am o, abi na the sickness. Cause the matter be like this now, e be like say one kudukere thing dey wey somebody dey hide, abi the person dey try eliminate all these big men. On herself, on her own don too much. But this can make una pity, and make una pity in family, say him get family. How they want to cope, how they want to feed. If person die, no be small thing, the kind pain where you go even feel yourself. Talk less of say person can't go murder person for him own house. And all these kind big houses, I know say all these kind big men, they no dey just stay for anyhow house. Security go there. In fact, some all these kind na estates they live. Where then these people pass? No be from the security gate. You no get gate man. So all these people now, how this matter take really happen? Because we need to know how everything they start. From the security, or maybe they arrest all of them, ask them question. Because person no go just come inside person house, can't kill person. So now this one, what you want call it? Now death have been a murder case. Because the case now it don't be two. We don't know na natural death have been a person killer, because the story itself no they even link up. The way things there now, this unidentified unknown gunmen. I don't know as they on, because sometimes you go see them, you now go see their face. But to go meet them, police self they try help in own life, himself no one die. Who won't come save who? If police they run, what do human being want do? Make we self they hide now. Because I know all this they know them. Maybe they go check this man's house. CCTV supposed even there somewhere where they go use. They catch these people. It don't dey too much. The killings don't dey too much. Today kidnapping, tomorrow death. Die don't dey too much for this Nigeria. You know they tire on her. It don't tire me. It don't over tire me. And nothing they even change. All this one we they even shout. When we say, oh my terrorists now don't die. Nothing they change. Because they complain. Our president, yeah, they hear for 1 year. If they come outside for this, we no even know. You know they do anything about them. But as it be, make we dey careful. Oh. The kind killings on our website, na no say na papa, na all this kind big, maybe na go hide them, put for one place. We will be say we know say we self we no get anybody to call. Make we self they dey careful. Because we know say kidnapping and all these things now they go on. Make we dey careful, make we dey watchful. Make we mind as we dey take comot, they go out. If they comot, tell person say, now here you they go before you comot. Oh, as this matter be like this, now here I go end them. Anything way in I think about this death of this man, about this Mr. Godswill, make na talk about him. Then make na no come forget to comment, like and share, and also subscribe to this channel as I go see you now for our next story. People wicked oh. Some women we wicked. You get one housewife, if you see as this woman don't beat her husband knees because of say waiting, they say this boy shit for body. This boy will be 8 years old boy. Shit for body because of say waiting. They say this madam, what they call Madam Inkiruka. In fact, all those Inkiruka, if they watch Nigerian film, they always wicked. If now they watch they always wicked. This woman now say, this boy come meet him. Say he want shit. But the woman they inside bedroom, they bath her small pikin. The boy now where they, you know now, e get some kind shit wey be say go hold you. Sweat sef go dey catch you. Bless na that kind shit. Na hold this small pikin. The boy come dey tell this madam, the madam no gree come outside from the bathroom. And there this boy shit. If you see as this woman beat, una don see the picture now. See as he beat this boy body. If say na her own children, she go gree. Now people wey dey around dey talk say the husband sef know all these things wey dey happen. Say this small girl mama don die. And this woman, if she dey beat this girl, she go dey talk say, he go beat this girl till this girl go meet him mama for grave. Why people wicked? Why we wicked like this? In fact, this thing dey see this small girl now. They can't even talk say sometimes this woman will sit down on top of this girl, come call because she get 2 twins, maybe 5 years old. She go call them this twin say, make them dey beat this girl. What did this pikin do you? Now in fact, now she dey cause your problem. See this fine lady. Some ladies, they just fine for face. Their heart, e dey wicked. Now make when God say the heart of man dey wicked, God know wetin talk. He no just talk am. How person go just dey? You go dey. If you know say you no fit collect person for your house, you no fit train pikin. Leave the pikin. No be everybody dey fit stay with person. You look and say, okay, this pikin I no go fit take care of, I no go fit train am. Leave the pikin in peace. Now this pikin die for your hand, now you go come dey cry say, na devil, na this one. This woman now, make they carry this woman. Make they lock her for like 2 months only. Without food. Make they beat this kind of beat she give this pikin. Make they no use kedo. Koboko. Army on. Make they use and wipe her well. Maybe by that time, her brain go come down. This mumu husband self, they talk say, people they talk and say, if you try face this woman, if you beat this pikin, say the husband go come face you, say, if you do anything to his wife, he go fix you. Say even sometimes if you wake this woman, you know all these children, if you wake them up for morning, sleep go see their eye, they go. Say this woman go carry ice water, pour for this girl body. Some people, some women, make I not say some people, plus man or plus woman, they're wicked. Because this man, they see everything where they happen. You don't even pity and say, now your sister pikin. You don't even think I'm reasoning and say, if say na my pikin, you don't even consider say, if you, maybe you can't, your wife can't die, you can't marry another person. If they do this thing to your pikin now, you go like him. You no go like am now, so why they do am for another person? Why they do am for another person pikin? This woman now, her mama grave, the grave go there, they cry, they look in as in pikin they suffer like this. She go they think am, they reason am, but because she know, if say ghost they really work, this ghost suppose don't find this woman, go wipe am, as they show am for Nigerian film. Suppose don't go do am for this woman well, because this woman she deserves serious beating. People too wicked. As this matter be, in fact, the matter tire me. Now here I go leave her for making a comment. As this woman do, now like me sweet on her. I know that some people when they even watch this thing, now so on they do, but I no go greet talk. Now no go talk say now what thing they do because now they look and say, the pikin, this one, not be your pikin. If now your pikin self, another person self go do one for him. Make now they look and say things they repeat himself. Oh. You go look and say, you don't go. You go come support, say, when you don't old, somebody will come they do one for you. You go come they pay you, say, this way this person they do no good. But now what you do for person pikin? Now what you don't come back to you. As it be like this, make and don't forget to comment, like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. As I go see you now for our next story. One drunk police officer don't assault one lady when they go beach. This beach where they call African Beach. All of us know this beach where they for Aja, for Lagos. Now this lady say, wetin happen? No be anything wey even serious. So say she buy tickets to enter Konton Wahala. The security officer tell her and say she no go enter. She say wetin happen? The security officer tell her say the manager of this artisan and in fact the person who even get this African Beach tell am say make she no enter. Before they go see Naija Wahala start to make na watch this video.
This policeman slap this see policeman. See papa. 20 papa they do get see papa don't go no. Look at what he's doing. Look at what this papa is 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 doing. Wait. This papa slap her for no reason. This papa slap her for no reason.
From there where they are even petty the drink for your man.
So alcohol, see you imagine. You don't use your right.
And I don't see as this security officer start to beat this woman. This man no even the fear start to blow her with gun for in hand. So men you no even reason am say you be police officer one, I be na mopo, I be waiting you be. Then say the person wey you dey beat na woman. And this lady dey talk say for the past 2 months na she dey go this place. Aunty, make me sef I come ask you, you no get work wey you dey go beach every day for 2 months? And she say na 1,000. That money na 20, na person salary be that o. You can't dey waste am go sit down for beach. This beach wey be say agbero sef plenty for there. You no see any better beach go. And this beach now you can't decide sef say you wan go there. See as they don blow your face, beat you. Now you can't come outside dey complain. But thank God say as this whole matter dey go on, one of him friend dey for back dey record this thing as the thing dey happen. As the friend dey record am, before they go see, they don wan call police. Say make they come carry these people go panty. Say they beat the police, they tear in cloth. Say they be thief, that they misbehave. And this girl they talk say since when she don dey go this place for 2 months now, she no dey even near anybody. She dey on her own. She no dey fight. She no dey even find person trouble. So wetin come make them say make she no enter this place? Now wetin make her face them? These people say e no dey right because she dey pay her money. Customers are always right. As far as say she dey pay for this thing, they no suppose even disturb her say she wan enter. As the matter be, wetin even come fear myself as she dey fight this girl get heart o. As she dey fight with this man, I don't even think say this man go don even carry gun, because we know so all these our officials, small thing, they don't carry gun, they don't shoot you twice, you don't die. But this girl face this man wella. I like how she face him. And people say they talk say for this beach, now so this manager they do. So no be in first time. Now so in the I can't think I say be this man don't toast this girl as the girl no gree. But even if the girl no gree, no be your office now, no be you get this beach. This thing are natural resources, water na water. No be you create this water, now God creates this water. You just get opportunity to dey manage this water. So why you won't come dey give person law? Say this one I go enter, this one I no go enter. Now wow, the way they see these things, they be like say, you get another matter where they inside this thing. But as it be like this, police carry them, these people go panty. But if no be say they can't provide this video of everything what happen, and also people they blast this guy saying, guy they there they record. We supposed go fight for this guy. In come there they record. The guy now this recording now he save them. And if say there be people where be say they don't even get him out and they don't know anybody. Now so these people go there, they go just keep them there for that police cell for nothing. Because she dey claim say she dey innocent. My own question now, why wanna go give person where they drunk gun? Una carry gun, now no say this man don't drink, he don't drink ogogoro, he don't high. Now come carry gun, give him. Person wey no fit even control himself, he get right to beat woman. This kind of person go dey beat him wife for house. You get right to beat woman, and I come carry gun, give him. If sometimes when they talk say some people know they get sense, now the things say they lie. They no check this man well, say this man na olo gogoro before they go carry this gun they give him. I no understand though. And make them make research well before they even employ all these security officers. Because some of them, they know they okay. Some of them, it be like say they smoke igbo for their training. Abi they lose one screw inside their brain if they go do that training before they can't release them out for people. Make people they careful. Human beings make they fear anywhere where you see a person hold weapon, they fight. In fact, for your own peace, leave the person. Because if any military person now shoot you, abi kill you, they feel talk say na accidental discharge, and they will release this person. You now you go just die free of charge. 5 naira said they no go even give your family. You go just die. If you see anywhere person carry gun, he carry knife, bottle, just leave the person. For your own peace, or they beg go, make I just leave the person. Because as it be now, if say this man now, I think you see the other police officers, I think just come outside, carry gun. Now the first thing we're supposed to do be that at least keep your gun. Go meet them. What thing happen? What you have carry gun come outside? Make na dey careful as this matter be like this. Now here I go dey end them. Make na don't forget to comment, like, and share. Because I go see you now for our next story.